Model, 69-plate Ford Transit Connect 200L1 diesel 1.5 EcoBlue 120ps limited van, ULEZ compliant Euro 6 spares OR repair. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 90,582. MOT, 10 August 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120ps S6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth putting in the time to get this back on the road. OK hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, reversing camera, start-stop, air